If you are also under the impression that fats are not good for your health, then this video is definitely for you. When we talk about macros in our food, we generally overshadow the importance of fats in our diet. In fact, about 20 to 35% of your daily calories should come from fat, which means if you are under 2000 calories diet, then about 44 to 78 grams of fat per day. Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Varsha and I am a fitness enthusiast. In today's video, I will be making these chocolate laddoos, a powerhouse blend of seeds and nuts. So while I enjoy these, you have a quick look at the list of the ingredients.